3.
Hi guys, this is how you make the Indoraptor set part A1, which is in Spanish. And let's see if I can make it. Let's see, got this, have the first one. I have my, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm just gonna work on it.
Do you have it memorized, or are you looking at instructions?
I'm looking at the instructions.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. I can't find stuff so good, but I can put the stuff on great. I wish I could find stuff more easily, so this video can be fast.
What's the set called? Indoraptor
Mansion set.
Indoraptor Rampage at Lockwood Estate.
Oh, where's the pieces? I wish I could talk to Mom, but I have to. This might take forever. So please take and go to the like button and share it, subscribe, notification at all, and post me if you need to, or maybe post your minds about what I should do next. On part 2.
So we're on bag 1. What's in the first package on this set?
First package, it's the lobby.
Okay.
Oh, let's see, okay. I hope you don't hear about this show because it's just so annoying to me. Okay, I think I might want to be done in a bit of more minutes. I'd like to post this video of just post your likes and everything. And I would like that to have something great. I have more momentum in this video and subscribe. I just want you to know that I like your subscribes, and I would love to have 10 subscribers in just 10 minutes. So subscribe please and sign in it and go to the notification. I'm just reminding you. And I really promise you, I would like that peaceful red like button if you do it. I'll subscribe to my own channel because I would like it, and I would see you more on more notifications to give me more notifications. That's great. And you should say if you should do this, and I would probably say that it is hard. So, just you wanna know what happens next? Just go and subscribe to my channel. And I really want you to do that because I would love subscribers. And this is not my first video I posted. You saw my first video of playing some game that you would just not want to play because you might think it is hard. But you might have to play, and so I just take this show. I'm just not into it. All I'm doing is this hard working, and see why I'm doing this? Because I want subscribers and I want some money. If I could actually get money. I'm not posting a video of a video. Because that would be too weird, and I'm guessing I would do some super cutie show. Oh, and that's what Betsy's watching right now, which is my sister. I don't like her watching all of these videos. I'm posting all of these to make you happy. So you may be treated like great. If you go to the subscribe button, you should and I'll show you where you are. I live in Utah, in the United States, and something you could just start at an ALA, and I would pick you up, and whenever I do a video, you could just get there. If you're not in the same state, you can just go on the airport and go to Utah, go to United States, and then find ALA, and I'll pick you up for more videos like this one. Bye.